Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about how to add photo widget on your iPhone screen and how to add your own or specific photo in this widget on your iPhone screen running iOS 18. So guys, keep watching this video until the end. Guys, open Photos app on your iPhone. Here, I want to add this photo. Simply tap on share icon and scroll up. And here is add to album. Tap on it and tap on plus icon. And now guys, write your new album name and now tap on save and now close this window and long press on the empty screen. Now tap on edit top right corner and tap on add widget. Now here's the interface. Now simply search in top right corner photos. Here you can see, simply tap on it. Now scroll here, you can see, tap on album, tap on add widget, and widget has been added successfully. Now tap on choose and select the photo you have to recently created in this album. Now tap on here and your specific photo or your own photo has been added in the widget. So guys, this photo will not change in widget, only this photo will available in this widget on your iPhone screen. I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.